Our DigiSkills 5 project looks at the topic of automation and robotics. DigiSkills 5 covers the fields of mechatronics, mechanics, electrical engineering, and computer science. At the heart of this learning project is the collaborative robot, also known as a cobot. Cobots are used in fields such as machine loading and quality inspection. Their use is based on process automation. The DigiSkills 5 learning project sets out to automate processes for a mechanical testing procedure. Automation is explained step by step and underpinned with practical tasks, instructions, and information. The manually operated WP300 material tester is used to first analyze the process and divide the IA500 system into smaller units, for example into assemblies and functions, including the appropriate tools. The analysis leads into working out the automation potential for the IA500 system. The solutions developed in this way are then implanted, tested, and optimized. In addition to and independently of the IA500 system, interesting programming tasks can be carried out with the IA501 developed for precisely this purpose. As with all GUNT DigiSkills learning projects, the GUNT Skills Media Center provides a digital learning environment for all steps of the automation process.